Hello, you're looking at a fan cart. I'm going to switch on the fan pretty soon. With the fan blowing forward, which way is the cart going to go? Let's have a look at the answer. So it went backward. I'm going to attach a sail to the fan cart. And this time when I switch on the fan, which way is the cart going to go? Forward or backward? Let's have a look. Well, it just stayed put. It didn't move at all. What an anticlimax. Anyway, I just bought some sushi from NTUC. Let me use the plastic cover as the sail. So I'm going to switch on the fan again. Which way is it going to go, or is it going to stay put? Let's look at the answer. Do you see that? The cart actually blew itself forward. Now, can you explain all the observations in this video? Please share your answer at the comment section, or at least click the like button. 感謝